Hi, this is Janvi. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about wireless power transmission. Before starting this video, let me tell you something. Imagine all our gadgets without any wires. This sounds very cool, isn't it? Yeah, we people like carrying things without wires because all the wires are messy to carry. So let me explain what is wireless power transmission in this video. Before that, let me tell you uh, what are the contents we have in this video. Yeah, we have introduction to wireless power transmission, and I'm going to tell you the history of wireless power transmission. And we mainly have two types of power transmission that I'm going to tell you in this video. What are the applications of wireless power transmission and pros and cons of this wireless power transmission. And let's move to the introduction. Yeah, let's move to introduction. What is wireless power transmission? Wireless power transmission is efficient transmission of electric power from one place to another place through any vacuum or atmosphere without any usage of wires. Uh, for this wireless power transmission, uh, it uses electromagnetic field with certain frequency as a medium of transfer, and this frequency depends on the range of transmission. And in order to transmit electric power, we require a source and a receiver. Um, so with that, we can transmit all the electric power wirelessly. And now we are moving to history of wireless power transmission. This idea, which is wireless power transmission, is not new. In 19th century itself, a famous scientist called Nikola Tesla built a 187 feet tall tower to broadcast energy so that all the people can have access to free energy. And he managed to light two, 200 lamps from a distance of 40 kilometers. So this was the first tower which is having wireless power transmission, built by Nikola Tesla. And now we are moving to, yeah, various types of wireless power transmissions. We mainly have two types of wireless power transmissions. One of them is near field energy transfer, and another one is far field energy transfer. First one, near field energy transfer includes electric automobile charging, consumer electronics, and this type of wireless power transmission is highly used in industrial purposes. Um, and now far field energy transfer includes solar power satellites, energy to remote areas. It is very useful to supply energy to remote areas where we can't do it with wire things. And it can broadcast energy globally also. And it's time to discuss applications of wireless power transmissions. Nowadays, we are seeing all wireless chargers. The principle behind wireless chargers is this wireless power transmission, and we have microwave wireless power transfer, laser light wireless power transfer, wireless power transmission using inductive coupling, magnetic resonant induction based on wireless power transmissions. All these are the applications of wireless power transmissions. Now I'm gonna tell advantages of wireless power transmission. We have lots of advantages with this concept. This include it is of simple design. It all happens with lower frequency operation. Wireless charging would also possible, and it is very useful where the interconnecting of wires are inconvenient or really very impossible, and the power could be transmitted to the remote places where the weird transmission of wire transmission is not possible. We also have disadvantages at the same time. Disadvantages of wireless power transmissions includes high power loss, it is insufficient for longer distances. Cost for practical implementation of wireless power transmission seems to be very high. And the other disadvantages of the concept is interference of microwave with present communication systems, and it is non-directionality. So these are the disadvantages with this wireless power transmission. Let me conclude this topic. Uh, let's take an example. Few years ago, people were using headphones, headsets, and all, but nowadays people are very fond of using Bluetooth, eardobes, everything, which is wireless. So this we can come to know what importance we are having for wireless power transmission. Wireless power transfer has the potential to change this planet so many different levels, whether it is charging a handheld device to charging to changing the effect of global warming on this planet. Wireless power transmission has an answer, and the effects of global warming and increasing demand for electricity is wireless power transmission through microwave transmission from space. And with advancements in the field happening all the time, a worldwide wireless power transmit system is a possibility in near future, and it has a very good scope in next generations. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much.